Introduction to Accounting +1 textbook worksheet questions and answers part 1. 20 important questions and answers. First one. Information in financial reports is based on dash economic transactions. Second one. Internal users are the dash of the business entity. Management or employees. Third one. Identified and measured economic events should be recording in dash order. Chronological. Fourth one. A dash would most likely use an entity financial report to determine whether or not the business entity is eligible for loan. Creditors. Fifth one. The internet has assisted in decreasing the dash in issuing financial reports to users. Time gap. Sixth one. Dash users are groups outside the business entity who uses the information to make decisions about the business entity. External. Seventh one. Information is said to be relevant if it is dash free from bias. Eighth question. The process of accounting starts with dash and ends with dash. Identify the transactions and communicating information. Ninth one. Accounting measures the business transactions in terms of dash unit. Monetary. 10th one. You are a senior accountant of Ramona Enterprises Limited. What 3 steps would you take to make your company's financial statement understandable and decision useful? 3 points. First one. Reliability, that is verifiability, faithfulness, neutrality. Second one. Relevance, that is timeliness. Third one. Understandability and comparability. 11th question. Which stakeholder group would be most interested in? 11th. Government and other regulators. The VAT and other tax liability of the firm. 12th. Management. The potential for pay awards and bonus deals. 13. Social responsibility groups. The ethical or environmental activities of the firm. 14th. Lenders. Whether the firm has a long-term future. 15th. Suppliers and creditors. Profitability and share performance. 16th. Customers. The ability of the firm to carry on providing a service or producing a product. 17th. Which of the following is not a business transaction? Answer is C. Paid son fees from her personal bank account 20,000. 18th question. Deepthi wants to buy a building for her business today. Which of the following is the relevant data for her decision? Answer is A. Similar businesses acquired the required building in 2000 for 10 lakh. 19th question. Which is the last step of accounting as a process of information? Answer is C. Communication of information. 20th, the last question is, which quantitative characteristics of accounting information is reflected when accounting information is clearly presented? Answer is A. Understandability. Thank you for watching this channel. If you like the content, please share and subscribe for more videos.